We've all been there. Checking in at the airport, heart is pounding a bit, hoping our luggage actually reach the destination. You watch it disappears on the belt and just wishing for the best. But what if I tell you hope ain't enough? Every year, millions of bags goes missing. Some get stolen, others is mishandled, and few never even found again. The scariest part is, many travelers don't realizing their luggage was been tampered until too late. Imagine open your bag in hotel and figured out your stuff are gone. That do happens more often than we thinking. But try not panic. This video full of many tips that will helps you to not ever have the same nightmare experiences. From smart packaging to hacking security, you're going to learning how you can protect the luggages and all things inside of. Stick with me long till the final because tip number 1 are so simple but 99% of travelers don't do it, and it can making all difference. If you like helpful content for travel like this does, hit that subscribe button so you're not missing any tips that can maybe save your trip. Let's begin now. 15. Always choose an hard shell suitcase. When you buy a suitcase, always go with hard shell one. Soft bags feels light and easy to carry and takes up less rooms in tiny space. But they're not protecting your item proper. A thief could easily cuts through the soft fabric, using knives or even just regular pen. It means all your belongings are now risky. Hard shell suitcase, especially ones made with polycarbonate or aluminum metals, are really tough to break into. Also, they gives item protections if bag got dropped or got handled roughly. Some hard bags has metal corner and latch even instead of zips, and that makes it less easy open for thief. So think like your suitcase is your safe box. If it's strong, your stuff are safer. Don't gives easy chance to criminal peoples. Pick a solid hardshell bag and do more smart travel. 14. Avoid bag with too much zipper or pockets outside. Bag with lots of zippers or pocket looks cool but very dangerous while traveling. More zippers means more of weakness. Thieves can unzip it quick and take thing and you not even realize. Outside pockets is very bad too because people usually putting important things there like passport or phones. You should choosing bags with less access. One zipper is enough sometime. Inside, you should using packing cube to making organized. If your bag looks simple on the outside, thief don't pay attention. More clean, more safer. Thieves go only for bag looks busy or expensive. 13. Use anti-puncture zipper. Mostly zipper we see on bag can be opened by pen. Yes, a normal pen. Thieves using this pen tricks to split zipper open and still they zip it back again so you never notice. This scary isn't? That's why special zipper call anti-puncture ones are must. They built with special teeth very tight and don't breaks open by pressure. Always check the bag label when buying. It must say anti-puncture zipper. For extra most security, take zipperless bag what have clips or clamps that nobody can trick. Having good zipper means your stuff probably not be losted. 12. TSA lock isn't enough, you should go more stronger. TSA locks are made so airport people can unlock it easy, but they don't make it strong. Most of these locks is plastics, people can smash it in minutes. So you should go for steel and pick-proof locking. Even better, put wire lock around your zipper and strap it. This make it impossible to open bag fastly. Thief like quick bag, not bag with lots of problem. Make your lock scary and protected, and thief just go stranger's bag. 11. Add the security tie or zip. Plastic seal is nice small stuff you tied on zipper. If it broken, then it show if tamper happened. Even cheap zip tag is work. Not 100% thief proof, but thief see seal and they thinks you watching the bag. Bright color zip tie are better than normal one because easily noticed. Add strong lock with seal together for best. Cheap tricks but gives good protect. Small seal says, don't touch me. 10. Make your suitcase boring looking. Fancy shiny bag is asking for trouble. Thief think it got precious thing inside cause it looks cost much. Don't bring bag that looks expensive. Try old gray or black suitcase. Add stupid sticker or tape. Dirty luggage is winning luggage. When all the bag arrive carousel, you want yours to look dull and simple. If bag is loud, thief listen. If bag is quiet, thief ignore. 9. Wrap your luggage inside plastic. At airport you can go and let man wrap your whole bag in long cling. It looks funny but works. Plastic make thief take longer time to break open. Loud sound and struggles is no friend of thief. Also, it protect from rains and airline dirt. If there is no wrap service, you do this yourself. But don't cover wheel and handle or else. $1 plastic can stop $1,000 problem. 8. Take photo early from your luggage. Before go trip, phone camera must snap your bag. Take one clear outside photo showing brand and shape. Then take one interior photo so you remember what's inside in case. If bag is loosed or thieved, now you show picture proof to airline or insurance people. You no need explaining bag. Imagine. Just show phone. You don't believe how many fight is saved by one photo. 7. Keep your value stuff in checked luggage. Wait, no. Actually carry-on is better. Sorry? Don't ever putting passport or Europe money in suitcase that airport keep. Luggage go missing all the times. You carry those stuff with you in bag that on your back. Use backpack or small roller with inside hiding pocket. Don't store real important items down in cargo land. Even $10 lock won't save your passport from thief if it's in wrong place. 6. Use GPS tracking. Don't rely on airline app thing. They don't even know where your bag go. Use Apple AirThing or Tile Stuff to track bag from your phone. Put it under socks or inside pocket. Once plane land and your bag not seen, just open phone and it says, "Here bag is." That's magic, basically. Also, works good during layover where someone maybe takes wrong bag and walk. GPS tracker is tiny but powerful friend. 5. Don't check your bag too early. While it might seem smart to check your bag early and relax, doing it too soon can actually increase the risk of something going wrong. If your luggage sits unattended in storage for too long, it has more chances of being misplaced, moved around, or even tampered with. The best time to check your bag is 60 to 90 minutes before departure. This ensures it goes directly to the plane and spends less time in vulnerable areas. A little patience will pay off by keeping your belongings safer and your travel smoother. 4. Avoid labeling bags as priority or fragile. Labeling your bag as priority or fragile seems like a good way to ensure careful handling, but it can also attract the wrong attention. These labels can make your bag stand out and may cause thieves to assume it contains expensive or valuable items. If there's no real need for such tags, avoid using them. Instead, aim for a bag that looks ordinary and blends in with the rest. A low-profile appearance draws less attention and reduces the risk of theft. When it comes to travel security, staying unnoticed often works best. 3. Always change the default lock code. When you buy a new suitcase, it often comes with a default lock code like 0000 or 1234. While convenient to remember, these are the first combinations a thief will try. Always change the code immediately and set something more secure. Avoid using birthdays, addresses, or anything obvious. Never write the code on your bag or tag. Instead, memorize it or save it safely in a password manager. A lock is only useful if it's properly set. This simple step ensures that even if someone tries, they won't get in easily. 2. Never leave your bag unattended. Airports are busy places, and theft can happen in just seconds. That's why you should never leave your bag unattended. Not even for a quick restroom break or coffee run. Always keep your luggage within arm's reach. If you're traveling with someone, take turns watching the bags. If you're alone, keep a hand on your bag at all times. Thieves often target bags that appear forgotten or unattended, even at baggage claim. Your awareness and presence are your best protection. Stay close, stay alert, and don't give anyone a chance to take what's yours. 1. Travel insurance is your best backup. No matter how careful you are, things can still go wrong while traveling. That's where travel insurance comes in. If your bag is lost, stolen, or delayed, insurance can help cover replacement costs and essential items like clothes or toiletries. It can also protect you against flight cancellations, hotel issues, or medical emergencies. Not all plans are the same, so be sure to read the fine print. Choose one that includes baggage protection. Spending a little more upfront can save you a lot of stress and money later. When the unexpected happens, insurance gives you peace of mind. Your luggage carries more than just things. It carries your peace of mind. By following these simple but powerful tips, you can travel smarter, safer, and with total confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss out on more tips that can literally save your trip. Got your own luggage hacks? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to learn from you. And remember, the safest traveler is the smartest one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bonus tip: use a unique luggage identifier. One of the simplest yet most overlooked tricks is adding a unique, bold identifier to your bag. Think neon luggage straps, patterned duct tape, or even a colorful fabric wrap. Not only does it help you spot your bag faster on the carousel, but it also discourages theft. Thieves tend to avoid bags that stand out because they're easier to trace. Make your bag unmistakable, and you reduce the risk of someone accidentally or intentionally walking off with it. A little personalization goes a long way in keeping your stuff safe and your travel stress-free.